Hey crafty cuties! I know that you are all here to see journals, and that is true. I have some new journals listed in my shop as of right now. I have some of my mom's journals to kind of show you so I can guide you over to her Instagram if you're interested. And I have a few sales going on if you are watching this through Memorial Day. I mentioned all of this sales in detail on the video right before this, but basically my shop is on sale for 30% off. Anything over $75 gets a free mini journal. I will just toss that in, and you can combine orders if you had purchased something any of the days in between the Memorial Day weekend sale. Anything over $100 gets an embellishment kit, a mini embellishment kit. And you will go into a drawing for a 30-piece embellishment kit for any of your orders. Okay, I'm going to try to go through these pretty quick. We're going to do just very quick flip throughs, and I'll just start over here. Most of these are traveler's notebooks or smaller journals, but I do have one, and it's not done because I just want to get the flip through video up. But I have this journal that I've been trying to finish for a while now, and it has like a 3-inch spine, really big spine. Huge journal. So like I said, it's not finished yet, but it will be up in my shop by the time you see this. I'll have some photos over there. It basically is just filled with a ton of botanical pages, a lot of Tim Holtz pages, just a huge variety of pages. And I'm not sure that this one will be completely like fully dressed, filled, whatever, but I may have lace on the edges. So you'll have to check out that listing. Other than that, everything is completely done. Here is one of the traveler's notebooks. Junk journals. These are all decorated. They have lace. They have things in the pockets. They have pockets and things clipped on. Lots of pretty like vintage book pages, tags and things like that, but still lots of space for you to be able to add your own things. As you can see, I find these journals to be pretty easy to use just because it's kind of set up for you. It's decorated. It makes memory keeping really quick and easy. And they're pretty versatile, so you can use them for lots of different things. I have this vintage one, a lot more masculine than I normally make, but I had really a lot of fun. This is a fabric journal here. Has like a little hidden tuck spot for a tag on front there. And it's just super vintagey. This one doesn't have lace on the sides, it has tabs, but same idea. Lots of flip outs and things like that. Lots of little pieces, bits and pieces in the pockets. There are like vintage ephemera and pieces in here too. Again, I just got to go kind of quick here so I can show them all to you. Having issues with YouTube lately, and I'm having trouble like uploading videos. So, okay, we have this one. This is a paper cover here, and I have this tie around it. Some really pretty little tags that I made at the top that go through these full pockets. Same thing, all decorated. So the only thing that I may be adding that I haven't shown right now is I may have some traveler's notebook journals like this that are like naked. They're not going to be decorated. So you can be on the lookout for that if that's something that you're hoping to get less expensive, but I don't know for sure if I will get to those. This is another fabric journal. I just love doing fabric because they're just so durable and they hold up, and you know, I like them. But the paper ones are great too, and good if you use a traveler's notebook or a dory or anything like that, or you can just use them on their own as well. Okay, lots of different types of pages, some really fun like gold foiled paper there, and then a full pocket here. Okay, so this is the last traveler's notebook junk journal that I'm going to show you. It's kind of a spacey theme, and it has this little charm right here, has a fun little piece right there and right there. And this one as well does not have lace on the sides, but it has tabs and fun little pins and things like that, but it does also have all the pockets and things. So this is kind of, yeah, space themed, kind of, I guess, spacey, dreamy. I would personally use this as a dream journal. Or if you're into, I don't know, astrology or something like that. I don't know much about that, but I would use this as a dream journal. And I think there's lots of fun little places that you could tuck away dreams that you have or anything like that. But of course you can use it however you want. I love kind of, oh sorry guys, I love how dark this one is. And by the way, most of these are 50 pages. I'll have the amount of pages on the listings. I think everything I've showed you is 50 so far. except for, of course, this big one has like 200. It's really, really, really big. Okay, so here is another fabric journal, but this one is a little bit bigger. It's like 6 by 7.5, I believe. And it's fabric, really cool, like upholstery fabric, and it's kind of vintagey botanical. Has some fun things on the sides here, has lots of lace, and then lots of gorgeous Tim Holtz paper, lots of vintage book pages, and there's vintage postcard. I put a lot more like vintage ephemera in this one, I think. Well, we'll see. I'm pretty sure I remember doing that. Tags and things like that. Fun little tuck spots, belly bands. This one, I don't remember. This one definitely has more than 50 pages. I think this one had more like 80 or something like that. Again, I already counted them and put them on the listing. I have the listings ready, and by the time you're seeing this video, these listings are up. So you will see these journals in my shop. If you don't, that means they are sold. I will just have this little flip up. I will have a link to my shop down below, so you can go visit my shop, and yeah, you'll see all of the journals in there. Okay. This is, I would consider this like a baby girl themed journal, but you could use it for anything if you're into cute little, pretty sweet little things, and it has a charm. So this is one of my hardcover journals. Forgot I had this here. But a photo or a name would be perfect right in there. Now, you can, I mean, it's very baby themed. So it's going to come with a lot of journaling cards and tags and things like that, because I wanted you to be able to decorate this yourself, since it's probably going to be for a baby. But there are some vintage, like this, a vintage folder kind of thing, vintage little thing, and there's no writing on the inside of this little card. It says announcing a new arrival. It has a spot for like time and all that. Vintage book pages, and then mixed in with like, you know, contemporary, is that the right word? And it does have flip outs and things like that. So it has things set up for you in here. I just left a lot of space in here for you to decorate it. You see it has pockets and things like that. But I was just thinking that if I was using this as a baby journal, personally, I would want there to be lots of space for me to decorate and put photos in. At the same time, if you want to use it as a quick memory keeping book, I think that you could do that as well. It's decorated enough with the lace and stuff, so fun little flip ups and things like that. And then, you know, you get all the extra things that I would add in here just on the side. Vintage book pages, coffee dyed paper, and things like that. But it's pretty girly, you know, has lots of lace and fun little clips and things like that. A lot of places for you to tuck things away. So there's that one. And again, that one comes with this. And this is the hardcover. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you my mom's now. We're getting to 8 minutes, down it. Now this is her shabby chic one. Has a tassel. Hers are also 30% off today. And what else? I believe, look at the pricing over on her page, but I believe all of them are $120, and then you can minus that 30% off if you buy it between now and Memorial Day. So I'm just going to do a really quick flip through. She didn't have pictures of this one up on her page as the time that I'm filming this. I needed to send her some photos because she gave it to me really quick before she was able to. But I mean, she puts a ton of detail in her journals, you guys. So the pricing on these is really, really good if you're looking to get something that's super decorated. And I don't know how many pages there's. I would assume there's about 120. And then I've showed some of these before. She just still has them available. It's a wedding one, and there's extra goodies in here, and then same thing, it's all decorated. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this really quick. This is, let's see, a fun little, what do you call this? Like a magnetic holder, tassel again. Whoops, there's all the goodies. She has lots of goodies, extras coming with these. So these are just filled to the max. This is like a baby journal. You could use it for boy or girl. Oh, no, sorry. This one is a boy themed, definitely, because it says boys will be boys. So I'll have to grab that little bag of extras in a sec. Really pretty little mermaid journal. Has a tassel kind of on the back here. That's cool. Really pretty little clasp here. And it opens like so. And again, just these are fully dressed journals. So definitely, I'll have her Instagram account down below. It's I'm a Cool Gram. I've mentioned her before, and you can either message her, message her, or you can comment on one of the pictures. But if you're interested in one of these journals, I would just message her and let her know which one. That'd probably be the easiest. And then hers is going to be PayPal only, and I'm not too sure. I can't remember if she's doing US only, but she can let you know. So this is kind of a more, oh, this is a retro. This is from the retro kit. But as you can see, it's like a leather, or it's that faux leather, but really nice. So there's everything, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this flip through. Again, I may have some extra things up in my shop by the time you see this. I'm not sure. This one will be completed. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.